Hey, it's Mayu.
And it's Cabby, and we're just popping in to debut our new video series that'll be part of our York 101 series.
That's right. This new video series called Yorktionary will be hosted by a good friend, Elise.
So, what is Yorktionary all about? Well, let's have Elise explain.
Thanks for the intro, Cabby and Mayu. And hey guys, welcome to Yorktionary. My name is Elise, and I'm part of the Media and Communications team over at Student Community and Leadership Development, also known as SELD for short. Many new and first-year students often find it a little bit difficult to understand university terminology, but in these York Dictionary or Yorktionary videos, I'll be helping you define these terms. Today we have two Yorktionary terms to cover: lectures and tutorials. Lectures are large classes with roughly 100 to 500 students. They're held in a giant lecture hall, and usually one professor, or sometimes two, will lecture the entire class about the course material. Tutorials, on the other hand, are smaller classes made up of around 20 to 30 students, often led by a TA or a teaching assistant. Think of them a little bit like high school classrooms. In tutorials, the students have the opportunity to ask questions and participate in group discussions. Remember that not all classes have tutorials, as each course is structured differently. For a list of all the different course types, be sure to check out the link in our description below. Got any university terms that you're confused about? Be sure to comment them below, and we'll do our best to cover them in future Yorktionary videos. Good luck with your courses. Elise out.